Hong Kong people love animals. According to the Census and Statistics Department, there are around 2.7 million families in Hong Kong, while 240,000 of them have kept a pet. In the past decades, the number of pets in Hong Kong keep growing. However, the number of abandoned pets, especially in recent years, also keep increasing. Immigration wave, city development project, COVID, and economic depression are believed the main reasons leading to this result. My finalized brand is SPCA, as known as Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. SPCA is the most well-known and largest animal organization in Hong Kong, formed by a group of volunteers in 1903 and became active in the society in 1921. They aim to protect the kindness and to confront and prevent cruelty to animals. They also focus on the education to the public and hope to cultivate a deep respect for life in the community, so that all living creatures can live together in harmony. SPCA provide various services to support the animal and pet owners in Hong Kong, such as animal adoption, education activities such as tours, workshop, talks and course. They also provide animal-related services like pet boarding, grooming and veterinary clinics. SPCA also seek for help from the general public to support them to save animals. Through donation, charity sales events, foster parent program, people can help animals in SPCA as well as wildlife in Hong Kong. They also believe that being more aware to the animal issues in the society and respect all livings is the best way to support them. Therefore, this will be an educational and awareness campaign. For the advertising strategy, it is to get people who think they love animal and already having a pet and people who potentially want to have a pet to stop abandoning and come to SPCA. Also, to have a higher awareness on pet abandonment issue. Lastly, to know more about SPCA. By telling them whatever in your life may change, having a pet is a lot of fun and joy, but it is also a lifelong responsibility. For the campaign, some people don't really treat their pet as part of the family, especially when change happens in their life. They tended to treat pet as a toy to kill time but not a living creature that have feelings and needs. Therefore, the statement is pet is the first to leave in the family. They are the weakest link. Tagline is pet is part of the family that you won't abandon. And the idea is to humanize the pet as a person and family to make the audience know that they also have feelings. They will act and express themselves like humans do. Tone and manner will be emotional, dramatic, and a bit depressed, as I think the existing animal campaign in HK is a bit too positive and obvious. Therefore, I try to make it more dark and depressed to show how serious the problem is. In stage 1, there will be an online video to gain the awareness. Video will be showing the story about a cat boy who didn't know that he is going to be abandoned by his own family. Format of the video will to motion comic in order to create the sense of dramatic.
Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Peter and I've been living with my family since I was born, and I love them. As usual, we will wait for our father to come back before we start our dinner.
Peter, need a hand.
Okay, be right there. Smells good.
Easy.
Oh, oops.
You are a big boy now. Gotta be more gentle, you know?
Hey guys, look who it is. Do you guys behave well?
Dad? What took you so long?
You must be starving.
It is such a lovely family. Even though every day is like the same, I never really get tired of it. In fact, I wish we could stay just like this forever.
Oh, and by the way, anyone want to hear some good news? Remember the immigration we talked about before? Well, our application has been successful. Oh yeah!
Now there's some good news.
We are going to have a whole new life from now on. But just one thing. It turns out the immigration for pets is a bit difficult. So, I have an idea. Peter is a big boy now, right?
Wait, what do you mean?
so cute.
Hey, Peter?
Please. Don't leave me. Please.
This is the mood board for the video. Moreover, there will be 3 out-of-home posters to help gaining awareness. All 3 posters are showing an abandoned animal who is now living in SPCA. The poster tagline will be, "Pet are part of the family that you won't abandon." Audience can scan the QR code in the right-hand corner, which lead them to the official website of SPCA. They can find more details about this animal. Apart from getting awareness on abandonment issue, the poster can also bring the animal adoption service to the public eye. These posters can be a short video that tells a more detailed abandoned story to make it more interactive and emotional connected with the audience. For example, the caption of this poster is, "Hi, I'm Gabi. I was abandoned because my family immigrated. I can be a good company. Can you bring me home?" Then, followed by the tagline and SPCA logo. These posters will be placed in empty station and bus shelter. Furthermore, the redesign of the official website. Official webpage of SPCA will change throughout the whole campaign period to gain more awareness and fits with the tone and manner of the campaign. In stage 2, there will be social media posts and stories to get awareness and call for action. There will be different social posts throughout the campaign period, which related to pet abandonment, animal adoption and further support for SPCA. For the posts related to pet abandonment, the caption will be about animals also have feelings. They are even more sensitive and emotional. Abandonment may make them suffer from different mental illness that can last for a lifetime. So, if they face any difficulties on keeping their pet, don't abandon and come find SPCA for help. For the posts related to adoption, these posts will introduce different abandoned animals in SPCA which is available for adoption. For example, the caption of the left post is about a blind-eyed cat who named Sufu. At last, mentioning that they all deserve a loving family. So, can the audience bring them home? The right post is similar. Talks about the story of a guinea pig who named Bob. For the post about further support, it suggests different ways for the audience if they want to support and know more about SPCA. The caption will mention different services provided by SPCA, such as animal adoption, joining the foster parent program, becoming an animal volunteer or make a donation to support us. But most importantly, to love and respect all lives. Stage 3, there will be text-driven ads to get awareness and call for action. Different outdoor poster will be placed in locations that related to pet owners in order to remind the pet owners the responsibility of having a pet and stop abandonment. For example, this banner will be placed in the airport as there is an increasing number of people abandon their pets because of immigration. The caption is "Don't take the flight without her." This stander will be placed in the cashier of the pet shops to remind people don't abandon, and the caption will be "Don't let this become his last bag of dog food." Some posters will be placed in the country park as this is the place where many people abandoning their pets. Caption is "Are you leaving me alone in this park?" To conclude, this campaign contains 3 stages and the tagline is "Pet is part of the family that you won't abandon." In the first stage, there will be an online video, 3 out-of-home posters and the redesign of the official webpage. In this stage, the audience will start to know that animals also have feelings. They should not be treated like a toy or an object. In the second stage, there will be social media posts to get awareness. In this stage, the audience will discover more related information about pet abandonment issue, as well as the services provided by SPCA. In the last stage, there will be text-driven ads to get awareness and call for action in order to stop people from abandoning their pet, and understand the responsibility behind having a pet.